You guys, Peter did it again. This is like the custom I ordered off of him. I need that right now. Also, it's a luau party. If you hear music downstairs, that's why, but I need to customize myself with this jar. Let's go. But first, we have a couple of freebies to open up. This is so cute, Peter. And look at this freaking card. He drew me as a fairy. That's adorable. Like, shut up. I just know he handmade this. The little R in the center. Ugh. The note was so sweet, Peter. I'm gonna link Peter's Depop right here and down below. I'm gonna tag him as well. Also, you guys, I know I don't have my ring light, but we're first starting off with this gorgeous necklace. I'm keeping. This side's keep, this side's not keep. Look at this flower necklace. This is so like fairy vibes. I love. Like, are you kidding me? Adorable. Keeping this opalite necklace, wire wrapped necklace. Adorable. Keeping this is so cool. It's like an agate slice with a leaf on it. Look how adorable that is. I thought it was like an apple with a bite out of it at first. This is gonna be for you though, not for me. This, however, this is mine. This arm cuff is so pretty, and I'm gonna put it on right now because we're customizing myself. This arm cuff too, to match my strawberry hoop earrings I got from him in the last jar, mine. And we've got 2 fragile boxes. Oh my gosh. First off, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, this shell bracelet. I'm putting this on immediately. Please. Slay, got it on. She's stunning. Keeping, obviously. And we also have, oh my god, are these earrings? Oh. Oh, I might put those in if I don't have any other jars, or other ones in the jar. All right, let's do this little jar. Peter said, I made this Raquel mystery jewelry jar inspired by your awesome red hair. That's so cute. Real life Ariel moment. All right, let's do this small one first. Okay. You've got this gorgeous ring, and she fits mine. This little crystal. Oh my goodness, keeping. This is so adorable. I cannot believe like this is actually happening. I'm like keeping everything in here. Okay, we've got this red bracelet with I think carnelian maybe on it. Keeping. We've got this cute little red earring. I'm not gonna keep this though. I just said I was gonna keep everything, but I'm not. That is so pretty. Shut up. Keeping. Let's find the other match. The other pair. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. But it doesn't fit. Oh my god, that looks so good. Alright, for you and not for me. This is adorable. I'm keeping this little mini jar. Alright, here's the other match to that earring for me. This is so cute, Peter. Oh my gosh, yes. Keeping. Alright, let's go ahead and dump. Oh. Okay, we've got this necklace that matches the earrings, and it like attaches like that. Mine. These hoops, I'm not gonna keep though. They're really cool. We've got this ring. Oh my gosh, please fit. It doesn't fit. Okay, it fits my thumb. Keep. This kind of matches those earrings, but I'm not gonna keep it. Here's the other earring for me, and here's the other earring for you. That was so sweet, Peter. This is adorable. I'm keeping. All right, now let's get into the real reason why you guys are here, and that is this gorgeous mermaid themed jar. And I think there's some like fairy stuff in here as well. If I read the note correctly, I can't even open this. Got it open. That. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Little crystals. Mine. Immediate shell ring. Yes, I'm keeping that on. We've got this flower ring. That's adorable. I'm keeping. Keep. Okay. We've got this star ring. It doesn't fit me, so it'll be for you. Look at this little keychain. Oh my gosh. That's so fairy core. Keeping. ring. Shut up, please. Oh my god, it doesn't fit. I'm making it fit. It's staying on. I don't care. Got this blue ring. Oh my god, it fits. Keeping on. We've got this cutesy little charm bracelet. But I'm probably not going to keep it, so it's going to be for you. Probably wouldn't ever wear it, I guess is the better term to use. So I don't get in trouble by people. Okay. This, putting on. Adorable. You've got this wire-wrapped crystal pendant. Keeping. Oh my gosh. Please come off of the earring. Please. I need to make a pirate look. That is so cute. It's not showing. Alright, but I'm keeping. Oh my goodness gracious. Those are just the cutest little hoops ever. That's so like ocean core. Okay, I might put those on if I can't find any other ones in here. Oh. We found more earrings. These are from more of them as a whimsical look, but I'm keeping. This really pretty bracelet, keeping. Oh my gosh. Putting on. Keeping. I'm trying to go fast with this one. I'm not going to keep this one. I don't think I would ever reach for it. Please, please fit. Yep, mine. Staying on forever. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. That's gorgeous. Keeping. Might put those ones on. Okay, this bracelet. It's got tiger's eye on it. Adorable. Keeping. Oh my gosh. I see flowers. Oh my goodness. I might want to wear those too. All right, let's do this last one and then we'll go to part 2. That's so pretty. I'm keeping. All right, go to part 2.
Hello everyone again. I have something it like blew me away. All this jewelry. Like look, this is all angel themed jewelry. This is a Monet ornament. Like look at this. A crystal necklace. Look at that cute watch. There's so many pins and brooches. These are Avon earrings. Look at that, Avon. I just thought that was so cool. There's so many cool things. That necklace. St. Michael. Like, just wow. Those earrings are so cool. I really like this brooch right here. She's like side-eye. And then this one is definitely handmade because that's a spoon. Yeah, this one's really cool too. Some of them are marked. Does that say King of Italy? I don't know. And this one can be a necklace too. Or pin. Yeah, I had to show this to you guys. Or this one. Like how majestic. Roman ink. Yeah, a lot of this is vintage too. Yeah, see? 1996. Wow. So cool. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on my Depop. Not sure what I'm gonna price it at yet, but yeah, this is all stunning. So yeah, go check it out. Thanks, bye.